Christmas and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Christmas haul. So first start off, just want to say I'm not at all bragging whatsoever. I am very grateful for what I got today. I just know that people like to see this and it's a fun video to make. So first I'm going to start off with my stocking. My brother got me this. It's a happy head massager. It's like you do that and it vibrates. I don't know why, but it's really cool. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's kind of weird there's a vibrator on it, but it's supposed to get the tangles out of your hair. And then I got this little ornament to put on the tree. It's super cute. And then some candy. Hershey Kisses Hot Cocoa. I got these trolley sour bright reindeer poop. And then this Yankee Candle thing for your car, but I don't have a car and I'm not even driving it, but I can put this in my room somewhere to make it smell good. Beach walk. Nice. Then I got an Athleta gift card. I'm so excited. And we got some chocolates and some candy canes. These are the best. That's it from my stocking. My dad knows what candy I like. He's the best. Today it's very rainy. I'm kind of sad because the snow all melted. Got a good like 12 inches from that like snowstorm a week ago or 2 weeks ago. I don't know when it was. Okay, I'm gonna show you this necklace I got. It's from Marshall's. I kind of picked it out and I'm like, Mom, here, can I get this for Christmas? We always do that. I feel like everyone does that, but it's kind of funny. It's sterling silver chain because, yeah, I'm filming a video. And then it's the evil eye. It's really pretty. My cousin had this and I really wanted it and it's perfect. Super cute. Can't wait to wear it. And then I found these online because I like to make bracelets and I have some from AC Moore, some little beads, and I found out that they have crystal ones, so I found some online, this website, and this is a chameleon beads, pretty, and rainbow fluoride beads. And these are crystals, and I'm really excited to get the healing properties. And I get to wear them every day. I'm going to make a bracelet out of them, and I'm so excited. And then I got this awesome candle from my brother. Watermelon lemonade from Bath & Body Works, and I have to smell that right now. Oh my god, that smells so good. Very citrusy. Love it. Awesome. What else? And then I got this yoga mat. I need to start doing yoga to like meditate and stretch. And it's really cute color. I like it a lot. And then I got some socks and some more socks. You can never go wrong with socks for Christmas. And then I got an office calendar. My dad always gets us calendars during Christmas and I love it. And The Office is my favorite show. Awesome. And then I love coloring books and this is a Christmas one. Perfect. I need to get some new markers. And then these gummies. These are so good. I tried some World's Best Tasting Gourmet gummies. Super good. And then some nice earmuffs. Super soft. Very cute. Uh-oh, my hair is like falling out. Damn. you can definitely hear the rain. And then my mom got me some workout clothes because I like to work out. So some Old Navy. Cute back. Love this color. This is Old Navy. On my armpits. Oh, I love this color too. This is Nike. And then, of course, some PJ pants. Cute for Valentine's Day. Super soft. And, oh yeah, I'm excited to show you some crystals I picked out for Christmas. And I'm very into crystals and that kind of stuff these days. And yeah, I'm very spiritual these days. Maybe I'll make some sort of videos about that stuff if you would like. Okay, so this is my little bowl I have. Oh my god. So cute. So first, I have some cellulite. Super pretty. Oh, this is my favorite one ever. It's perfect for me. This is fluoride. Pink. I love it so much. And then, let's see. These ones I already had. I'm just going to show you all my crystals. Some amethyst. That's my birthstone. Also wearing that on my neck. Yeah, amethyst. My favorite stone ever. Then this is a rose quartz. I love the shape of it. And then this is one I got for Christmas. It's a moonstone. I think it's a peach moonstone. I don't remember. And then this little thing. I'm pretty sure it's the same as this beads. I liked it and I picked it out because it was very cute. Chameleon. And then I also found this somewhere in the house and I'm pretty sure it's the same crystal. So pretty. Really cool. Hey, I also forgot to show you this ring. It's rhodium. It's super pretty. I wear it on, oh shit, my ring finger. Yeah, bye. And definitely, I think every beginner should get cellulite. And I'm really excited to start my collection and make a bracelet. Oh my god, this one really drew out to me. I really wanted one that had a point. And I was looking for fluoride because it has really good healing properties that I'm looking for. And it's just perfect. And I should probably go cleanse these today. Just wash them off because you don't know what's on them. What kind of bad energy is on it. And also the bracelet beads. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and have an amazing holidays. I love you guys so much. Also, it's my 2-year anniversary on YouTube. And I'm so excited that I've been on YouTube for so long. And thank you so much for all the amazing support and just for watching my videos. I love you guys. Bye.